How to add a card in Google Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you know how you can add a card in Google Wallet, how you can add a credit, a debit card or your payment card in Google Wallet. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your wallet application, your Google Wallet, and you should get an interface like this as you can see here on the screen. Now what you want to do is at the bottom right corner you'll find the option that says add to wallet, right? You want to simply tap on that particular option, and there you can see you'll get different options, and you can see the very first option that says payment card, pay everywhere that Google Pay is accepted. So you want to simply tap on that particular option. Now if I tap on that particular option, the screen will be blank, so screen recording will be disabled, so I don't want to go ahead there, but I'll just be guiding you through. Once you tap on that payment card, it'll give you an option, you want to wait, and it'll give you an option to scan your card. So if you want, you can scan your card and you can add it directly. However, if you want to enter details manually, you can tap on enter details manually option and you'll be able to add in your details. And once you add in your details correctly, you want to simply tap on save and your card will be added to Google Wallet, and next time you can use it for payment. So this way you can add card in Google Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.